Hello and welcome to Weetzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. All right, first tool of the day. I got a fresh battery in my mics and my camera on my phone, so if this breaks this time, we'll be able to see it like the debarker was. But we got this guy today, which is made by the same company from the other thing that I just bought. But by the way, they took it back, and so but we're gonna get a different one. So I do not recommend that planer, just because of how it's designed. This one's really nice because it has solid metal. It's not hot metal or aluminum, so this shouldn't. And then I've got 4 blades on here. So this gouge, I'm by Hot Yell or Hottiel or whatever, however you want to pronounce it. So we're gonna smooth this out and contour this whole thing. And we'll use most of this today on this. Let's get this started. Man, I'm already breathing hard. All right, I can't say enough about this product. I'm really starting to dish this out really easy. It's cutting real sharp and real consistent. It's not jumping around, so it's a good sharp blade. There are a couple of blades on there, but so what I've been doing when you try to figure things out, there goes my hearing protection. Instead of going in and out like this, I'll turn it this way. And then we'll go up and down like this. Boom, 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 boom. So then we're just curving this whole thing. So I got to dish this out and get this smoother right here and all these cracks. We're almost done. Man, what a great product. So I'll put a link in my Amazon affiliates page. If you're a carver, boy, that's going to help you out quite a bit. So, all right, back to work. All right, some kind of background noise going on. Sounds like a chipper, something of that sort. But anyway, all right, we got that one all contoured and curved up. So let's do this one. So what's nice about here is I'll be able to go and control it. I learned something. Going back and forth fast, no bueno. So make sure you go, when you use this thing, do it in slow increments and just controlled. Bring it up against your hip and then control it nice and slow, because boy, it cuts and gouges out and gets it to where you need to go in a hurry. So the more you leave the material there, and then it's curved, so it'll cut sideways really nice. And then we'll dish this out, and this one won't be as fancy. And I think I went too deep right here anyway, but we'll figure it out. So anyway, I'm getting tired, so at least the sun came out for a little while. All right, back to work. All right, so I noticed something, and I'm going to use this saw, but when you go to sit in this throne, and you swing your legs over here and you sit all the way back, this sticks out pretty far. So this is, there we go. Dang, this is comfortable. Holy cow, I'm gonna take a nap. So we got an airplane flying over. So I'm gonna cut this down and then make it also a step, so it's easier, and then you can put your legs up on it. So, but I'm gonna, on an average, I'm gonna say I'm gonna cut it about right here, straight down. So I left a mark with my glove. So, all right, let's see if this works. All right, let's try this one out. Make some stair treads. I'm already dirty. Who cares? Whoa. Oh yeah. All right. I'm a mess. All right, I'm satisfied. Now we can sand it and make it look like I just grew a throne. All right, I sanded this down with 80 grit. Man, I made a mess. It came out pretty nice. I'm only going to go to about 150 grit, and we'll leave it there. But man, I'm losing daylight and I'm losing energy really fast. Oh, this is comfortable. All right, not bad. So I want to make every surface that you touch here super smooth. And man, I'm a mess. Sasquatch's hand is gonna be next. But yeah, I'm really losing daylight. Well, it's only 3:30, so I got some more time, but might as well film this before this ends. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna have this, oh man, there's a deer over there, right next to me. 2 deer. I am going to post this probably Monday or Tuesday, so hopefully you guys have maybe it's Taco Tuesday. Anyway, you're checking me out. Alright, again, thanks for watching Weetzer's Woodshop. I'm out.